Pagepilot AI full review. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's explore Pagepilot. So this is a platform which will help e-commerce businesses create high converting product pages, and the inbuilt AI on this particular platform will help you create product page copy images, and the inbuilt AI on this platform will help you create product page copy images, titles and more, and it will help you boost your conversion rates. The key features of this platform involve sales-oriented and humanized product pages. So even though the AI will be there in order to create the product pages, but it will be humanized, so the other person or the customers won't know that it is done by AI. Also, there is one-click integration with Shopify using the Pagepilot, and also there is a creative center where you can create multiple copies of different e-commerce ads and different variations of it. Then just choose the best out of it according to your brand, and you can also check out the daily winning product ideas on Pagepilot, and it will help you create one of the best product pages for your products, and this way you would be able to convert more customers and increase your revenue. The pros of using this particular platform is that you would be getting 3 times higher conversion rates, and the cost and timing will be saved, so you would be able to do other stuff and you would be able to strategize in a better way and would be able to focus more on the scaling aspect of your business. So this way saving cost and time would be able to help you out in a better way. Also, this will help you in faster product testing. So since you would be able to create the product pages quite easily and quite fast, then you would be able to test them out and check out which one works out better for you. So this way you would be able to find out the best product page for you, and this way you would be able to list different products and create different product pages simultaneously and get better at what you do. And when it comes to the pricing of this particular platform, the initial plan starts at $39 per month. You get different kind of features in it, like you can connect one Shopify store, but when it comes to the higher packages, you would be able to connect more stores, Shopify stores to be precise, with your Pagepilot account, and you would be able to create more product pages as well. And as we go higher in the plan or package, the monthly package, the better our features will be. So you can get a 3-day free trial for it, and just simply check them out and go with any of the plan which suits you better and which fulfills all the demands of your brand. So this way you would be able to save time and perform better. So the efficiency of your business and your individual efficiency will enhance significantly. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.